Hello everyone, I am James and you are watching Good Times Tech YouTube channel. So today I will show you how to solve the problem of XIAOMI Redmi Y1. Actually this phone, when we connect charger, the only the notification light blinks. Here you can, as you can see here. The problem with this is it's dead. When we had a friend of mine had kept it for charging, and after it was charged, when he restarted the phone, he was facing this problem. So even if we disconnect the power cable and press the power button, only thing we can see is the notification light blinks. So let's try to solve this problem. And as I am in a remote area and I don't have a screwdriver, I am going to use a Swiss knife. So let's try with this one. For that, initially we need to eject the SIM tray. Now first of all, we'll eject the SIM tray. We'll remove the SIM cards. Okay. Now just open the back cover. Just remove the fingerprint sensor connector. Now we need to remove these 3 screws so as to disconnect the battery. See that you will not touch any of the components with your fingers so as to avoid ASD. Static charges discharging into the PCB to avoid the static charges discharging into the PCB and the components and damaging the board. Now disconnect the battery connector. Now what we'll do is we'll connect the charger. You can see connected the charger. Now we'll connect the battery. So let's try powering it on. The power problem still persists. Let's disconnect the battery. Hold the power key for a few seconds so as to discharge all the capacitors. So let us wait for a few minutes. Let's see whether it will start charging the battery. Okay, now as you can see, now the display is powering on. We can see my logo on the display. So let's switch it on and check. The battery is 0%. Let's wait for the battery to charge for at least 10%, then we'll switch it on. Now let us see how much percent it is charged. Charged for 16%. So alright, now disconnect charger and switch it on and check it. Okay, it's powering on now. As you can see, the doors blinking here, so it's powering on. Let us wait for its boot. Okay. As you can see, it is asking for pattern lock, which means that the data is intact. We have not lost any data. Now we'll turn it off and then fix the back cover. Have a screwdriver, but as I am in my friend's place, I don't have a screwdriver here. See that will not damage the screw head. Now we need to connect the fingerprint flex. So for connecting the fingerprint flex, see that the phone is turned off. Do not connect the fingerprint flex if the phone is on, because DC voltage runs through to the chip on the fingerprint module. All my tools are at home, at my office. Just press the flex. Fix the panel on the top first. Seeing the keys aligned properly, just go on pressing it here in this way. Okay. You are done. Insert your SIM card with the memory card if you have. Actually, this problem occurs when the battery drains deep discharges. See that it will not allow the battery to discharge deeply. Whenever it is 50%, below 50 or below 50%, you charge the battery to 100% and use it. Hope this video was useful for you and helpful. If this video was useful for you, kindly hit the like icon, share the video and subscribe to the channel if you are not yet subscribed. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good time.